Is the GReward app really a great way to earn extra money online for free, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about this specific app, so therefore I decided to test it. And in this GReward app review, I'll give you an inside look and show exactly what it offers. And let me just reveal right away that it has both pros and cons, so you need to know exactly what to expect, and then you can decide if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log into the app, let's go over who can join. And GReward app is only available for Android devices. So if you're looking for ways to earn on an iOS device instead, then I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can find a video about that. But you can then join from more or less all countries. They do not have a list of the exact countries, so there might be a few you cannot join from. But the only way to really know if it's available for you or not is to go to the Google Play Store. If you search for it in your country and it's available, you can just download it, and that means that it's also available and you can start earning. And from what I've been able to find out, it is available in a lot of different countries. But let us now then log in so you can see exactly how it actually works, how much you can earn, and if it's worth it. So I have now logged into the GReward app, and it is in some ways fairly simple and then not that simple anyways, but we'll go over all the details of that. But the way you earn, you can just see up here, those are the main methods. So the offers is one of the best ways to earn, so to say. So most of it is just different offer walls. So if you tried any other get paid to sites or apps before, then you will know that you can just choose any of them, and then you can see different paid offers. And it can, for example, be to download other apps or games, or it can be to take a survey. You see some of these options here, and you can see exactly how much you will earn for it. We'll go over what these points are worth a little bit later, because it looks like a lot. For example, you can see like 15,824 coins, but of course the value is what really matters. And you would just need to click any of these offers. You can read exactly how much you need to use the app or the game, or what you need to do to complete this offer, and then you will get paid. And most of them are these different paid offer walls like that. And then they also have this video, so you can earn by watching videos. So you would just need to click, and then an ad will play, and you can see in the bottom corner there's a counter when that reaches 0. So that means usually it's around 30 seconds or so, you will get some points. So I'll just leave this play so you don't have to watch the whole ad, and then I'll be right back. So the video ad now finished, and you can see it added 20 points, so you get 20 points per video. And as mentioned, we'll go over the value of the points later, but I can tell you right now, it's not a lot. But in general, you won't earn a lot for watching videos. But if you're interested in earning by watching videos, I also have a video about the best ways to do that. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can see that. But in general, don't expect to earn a lot from that. But these are the main ways to earn. You can find quite a lot of options in my experience, and I have tested hundreds of different get paid to sites and apps, and the rewards here are just not quite as high as I have seen on many other sites. I will also leave a link below to a list I have of the best get paid to sites, so then you can go and check that out after watching this video if you decide this is not for you. You can also earn by playing. You see they have a whole play section. So you see, to do that, you need to allow it to track, because how it works is that it will download other games, or you will download other games, and then it will track how much you played. It's called playtime. You will earn per minute, but how much you earn will go down and down and down. So it will take a lot of patience to earn. In general, earning by playing games is not something that will earn you a lot. It can be fun, but if you want to earn by playing, then this is also not a very effective way to do that. Again, I've tested many sites that offer that. I'll leave a link in the top corner of a video I have about the best ways to earn by playing, so you can also check that out. One more way is to go to this more section, and you see here you can find even more of these offer walls. So again, it's basically just the same. It will ask you to do different paid offers, or some of them paid surveys. For example, this CPX research, that's paid surveys. But yes, it offers a lot of different ways. The rewards are just not quite as good as many other options. But what it all really also comes down to is, of course, what the value of these different points are and how you can get paid, because you always need to make sure that any site you use has a payout method that you actually like. So let's go over the payout options next. So if you click the redeem button, you can see the payout options, and the exact payout options, they can vary from country to country, and so can the payout threshold, meaning how much you need to earn before you can get paid. For example, where I am right now, you see PayPal, and then there's some gift cards, and you can also do a mobile recharge in some countries. But as mentioned, this will vary from country to country. But let's look at PayPal, for example. Then you see that you would need to just earn 20 cents to get paid. So a very low payout threshold. This is, in my personal opinion, the best thing about GReward app is that it has a very low payout threshold, but you need to earn 3,000 points to reach this. Again, this can vary. It might look a little bit different in your country, so do not be alarmed if that's the case. Also, feel free to share in a comment below if the payout threshold is different in your country, which country you live in, what is the payout threshold, what is the value of the point. So that's cool if you can share that as well down below. But the point is that, for example, if we see there that you need 10,000 points to earn $1. So you see the value of your points actually becomes a little bit better if you wait to withdraw. But no matter what, you need to earn a lot of points. For example, for the video I showed you, I earned 20 points. And I would need to earn 10,000 points to get $1. So you can see that would be a lot of video ads. So overall, the point system can be a little bit confusing like that, but I do like that it has a low payout threshold. But is it then really worth it or not? Let's sum it all up. I'll just close down the app and then we'll talk about that. So to sum it all up, GReward app is a legit app. You can get paid by doing different small offers, watching videos, taking paid service, downloading apps, playing games, all these different things. However, it is not one of the best options in my opinion. I've tested so many different options. I do like that it has a low payout threshold. The payout options are also quite good, but that's kind of the only pros I can come up with, because the earning options, there's nothing special about that. You can find the exact same options on hundreds of different sites and apps, and in many cases just for better rewards. So personally, that's why I prefer using other options instead. And I will also leave a link below, as mentioned, to a list I have of the top get paid to websites and apps, so you can check that out. That's just my personal opinion, but if you already use GReward and are worried about whether you will get paid or not, it is legit. You can earn. It's just not one of the most effective methods in my personal experience. And I hope this video helped you figure out if it's the right opportunity for you or not. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.